You've been pranked them.
What's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. So today we decided to do a little vlog. What we're gonna do today, it's called the Patriot Jet Boat. So it's like a boat ride, the one that goes like super fast. We've never done it. Y eso que we live here in San Diego.
I heard really good comments about it, so hopefully it's fun.
Yeah, so we're gonna do that. And then after that, of course, we have to eat. Huh, John?
Yep.
So we decided to take you guys along with us and show you what we do and how that boat ride is.
Hope you enjoy.
Beats by Esco. Say hi to our vlog! They ignored me. I don't want to be friends with them.
Oh my god.
That's for Davy girl.
And if you're ready, let's get this party started. Conclude our grill ride. Okay, everyone have a good time down there?
Was that awesome or what, babe?
That was really awesome. We're supposed to eat after. I'm not even hungry.
you're all crying.
No, it wasn't on purpose. My eyes got watery because it was all the viento in my face. That was so fun though.
Yeah.
Guys, that was a lot of fun. Tron. Bye. Bye, friends.
That was so cool, dude.
Dude, guys, that was so much fun.
We're busting a mission to Little Italy.
I know.
You think you're fancy, huh?
Good.
So yummy.
The pasta is super good.
It's good, man?
We devoured our food, guys. It was so cool. Which one did you get?
Strawberry and toasted something.
Hey guys.
Oh, hi. Yeah. Oh, that's so weird.
They didn't make it.
Thank you guys so much for watching our vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. You guys need to do that boat thing if you live here in San Diego, because it was really fun. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed our little vlog, and
Like,
share,
subscribe.
and we'll see you in our next video. Bye guys.
All the girls know where the real G's at. You can find us way up in the back. Watching that.